Welcome, this is Quizora Daily, one challenge every day. Let's start our animal challenge. Can you guess the animal from easy to hard? Let's get started. You have 6 seconds. Time's over. And it's a chicken. Next animal, can you guess what it is? Time's over. It's a peacock. Here comes another one. Can you guess this one? That's right, it's a clownfish. Can you guess this one? Time's over. It's a jellyfish. Who's up next? Take a look at this one. It's a meerkat. Next animal, can you guess what it is? It's an okapi. Can you guess this one? Time's over. It's an otter. Here's your next challenge. It's a capybara. Next animal, can you guess what it is? Time's over. It's a walrus. Ready for another one? Time's up. It's a blue jay. Here's your next challenge. It's a fossa. Who's up next? Take a look at this one. That's right, it's a binturong. Can you guess this one? That was a tough one. It's a kinkajou. Ready for another one? It's a serval. Here's your next challenge. It's an echidna. And now, the final animal of today's challenge. That was a tough one. It's a narwhal. How many did you get right? Subscribe for more daily challenges.